Tamarind is a popular tropical fruit that's used in dishes worldwide. It may also have certain healing properties. Tamarind is the fruit of a hardwood tree known as Tamarindus indica. It originates from Africa, but it's grown elsewhere in tropical regions, including Pakistan and India. The bean-like pods are filled with seeds and surrounded by a fibrous pulp. The pulp of a young fruit is sour and green. As it ripens, the pulp becomes paste-like and more sweet-sour. Some call it the date of India. The uses are numerous, including household, health, and cooking. The healing properties of tamarind. Tamarind has long been used in traditional medicine. In its beverage form, people have used it to alleviate constipation, fever, malaria, and diarrhea. Its leaves and bark are promoted for the healing of wounds. According to research, its polyphenols possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics that are able to offer protection from heart illness, diabetes, and cancer. Tamarind supplies you with a lot of nutrients, including magnesium, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, copper, vitamins B1, B2, and B3. It also contains trace amounts of vitamin C, K, B6, folate, selenium, and vitamin B5. Tamarind can be found in 3 forms, that is, raw pods, least processed, pressed block. The shell and seeds are removed and the pulp is made into a block, and concentrate, boiled pulp, and may contain preservatives. Tamarind's antioxidants are beneficial for the heart. This fruit may be able to better cardiovascular health. Its polyphenols may help balance cholesterol levels. Actually, in a study done with lab mice with high cholesterol, tamarind helped reduce their total cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and the triglycerides. Moreover, another in vivo animal study concluded that the antioxidants from tamarind help lower oxidative damage to LDL cholesterol, a contributing factor to heart illness. It's rich in magnesium that's good for blood pressure. Tamarind is abundant in magnesium. Magnesium has plenty of health benefits and participates in more than 600 bodily functions. It may also reduce blood pressure and relieve diabetes symptoms and inflammation. How to consume tamarind? This fruit can be consumed in several ways. You can consume the fruit directly from the pods or use tamarind paste in cooking. Tamarind is also used for condiments like chutney.